Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double press the camera to up bottom button, we can activate the camera application, and if you want to turn off this feature, we should just I'll just turn off the auto-rotate screen. We should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system section, then just click here to the gestures and then tap here to the first jump camera section. Now just to turn off the switcher, we should click only once here on the switcher, and after that when we'll just press twice the power up button, the volume up button, we can set that this feature is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe to our channel.